Viewer discretion is advised.
Stop. You are not safe. If you are home alone, lock the doors. If you hear a knock, don't hear a knock. We are under reports of a mysterious entity raiding the local Pets Catman, harassing Costco employees in the dairy section, and scratching up the inventory of all the major Bob's Discount furniture locations in the greater Northeast. He has been spotted at the local park, baiting people into playing chess. He always wins. The most dangerous attribute of this so-called Catman is that anyone who comes in contact with him is later diagnosed with the disease. The disease is administered through his 8-inch claw. It makes you explosively shit yourself. Avoid this man at all costs.